No. No. Oh, God. Oh, God, what have I done?
Don't worry, my father's the forgiving sort. Well, except when it comes to me. Triple espresso or hair of the dog?
No.
Oh, right, both.
Please tell me. We didn't...
Oh, did we ever? But I'm pretty sure we made Rosemary's Baby. Our detective, he was extraordinary. The heat, the gymnastics. I mean, you had moves that made even the devil blush.
Oh, no. This is bad. Whatever happened last night, don't tell me. I'd rather not know.
What, that we didn't do the nasty?
We didn't?
Nope. I turned you down cold.
You, the guy who's been trying to get me into the sack since day one, had a chance to sleep with me. And what you did... Why am I naked?
What do you mean you don't remember the part where you passed out, woke up again, shouted at me, "It's too hot in this five-star hole," I believe it was, then tore your clothes off and proceeded to hog the bed?
I do that sometimes when I'm upset. And you'd be upset, too, if your ex dumped you by text.
No, I'd be relieved if Dan dumped me. Even still, it's very out of character to see you so unhinged. And out of character for me, too. The whole not wanting to have sex with you thing. Well, here's the strange part. This gave me quite a rush. Can't explain it. I've been thinking about it all night.
Okay, last night was a fluke for both of us. Never happened. Leave it at that.
Right. You snore, by the way. Like an Albanian field wench.
Oh,